Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a four-star Sudoku. In this edition of today's newspaper on Monday, yes, it's still Monday, August the 15th, 2022, and I've already solved one puzzle, the three-star Sudoku. So three puzzles are left: the four-star Sudoku, the tectonic with four stars, and the binary puzzle. Let me continue with the second puzzle, a Sudoku with four stars. Is it really a four stars? We will see if this is a four stars puzzle, but this will be number 5018. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits, one less than the previous Sudoku. But for four stars, a Sudoku or puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. Yeah, four stars, 30 minutes or more. Alright, 40 minutes. We will see if this is really a four stars. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here two ones. We have one, two twos. We have here two threes. One four. Two fives. Three sixes. Four sevens. Two eights and four nines. So the sevens and the nines are in majority. Can I start with those numbers? Let me see. Yes, seven in this column. Seven in the middle column. So the column next, only two places left for the seven should be here or there. You see here seven in the middle row. So no seven there. Seven should be there. Cannot continue with the seven. Need to wait. About the nine then. Nine. We have four nines. Nine. Cannot continue with the nine. Well, we have a one in this row, the one in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the one should be there. Three. We have an eight in this row, eight in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for the eight should be there. Then we have a six in this column, six in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the six should be there. Five missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing numbers is seven. We have a seven in this big square, so no seven in these three boxes. So the seven in this column could be here, could be there. We see a seven in this row, so no seven there. Seven should be there. Seven in the last row, seven in the row above. So in that row, the only two places left for the seven should be here or there. We see a seven in this column, so no seven there. Seven should be there. Seven in the last column, seven in the column next. So in that column, only three places left for the seven should be here, or there. We see a seven in this row, so no seven there. Here, seven in the second row, so no seven there. The only place left for the seven should be there. Seven in this row, seven in the middle row, so the row below, the only two places left for the seven should be here or there. You see a seven in this column, so no seven there, seven should be there. And all the sevens are used, I can see. Digit number one, number seven. Still cannot continue with the nine. Nope. Cannot continue with the nine. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first column, so no 2 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Let me mark those two boxes. 2 and 3. So we have a 3 in one of those two boxes in this row. We have a 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column. So no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. So we have a 6 in this column. 6 in the column next. So last column. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the last row. So no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column. So no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can't see digit number 2, number 6. 2, well, wait. 2 and 9, okay. 2, 3, 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, and the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4. Well. The 9 in this column. The 9 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then. Let me see. 4, 4. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the third row, so no 4 in these two boxes here. 4 in this column, so no 4 in that box. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright? And in the last row, we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number in the last row is the number 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, or there. Here, or there. Well, we see a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. Here, 4 in one of those two boxes in the middle column, so no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, okay, and now I cannot continue with the 4. How about 3, 3. The 5 in this column, the 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in this column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And look, we have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 there. Here 2 in this row, so no 2 there. Only place left for the 2 in this column should be there. One box left in this big square for number 3. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those. 1 and 3. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in the last row. The 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. And look, we have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the second row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. The 3 in the third row, the 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the third column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. Then 2, 8, 5. Alright. Okay. 2, 8, 9. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers in the first column? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and the 9, 1 and the 9. We have a 1 in this row. So no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. The middle column. 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. Here, 9 in the second row, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. 1 box left in this column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 3 in the third column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then, these 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the third row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4 and 8. Now we have a 4 in the second row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 4. Alright. How about the 7 then? And the 7 I've already used. How about the 9 then? And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 9. Okay. What the 5? Nope. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the middle row, the second row, the only place left for the 5. Should be there. One box left in this second row for number the 1. The 2 is missing. Two missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in the first row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the third row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Cannot believe this. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. Although it has 1 less than the previous Sudoku. So I'm well pleased with the time. So is this really a 4 stars? No. Is this really a 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes. Well, but I'm very well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. If it's going too fast, just leave a comment. Maybe I will slow down. Yes, slow down. But it happened that I'm in the flow. If you are in the flow, then you want to write that number. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and a cipher block. In Dutch they call it cipher block, but in English tectonic. Yes, until then, bye bye for now.